Welcome to Palau. I believe this trip is a historic trip. It was a very fruitful and very productive trip, because not only did we succeed in opening up this travel bubble, but we established very strong partnerships that I think will continue to bring Palau and Taiwan even closer together. And we're just so excited to have everybody on this flight and so excited to welcome them to Palau. Because as you know, it's been 1 year since we last received tourists. And having the first tourists come to Palau gives the Palauan people hope. And I think we are very excited and to welcome and look forward to you all having a wonderful time in Palau. Good afternoon and welcome aboard the first inaugural flight to the Republic of Palau in this travel bubble that has been created. We are so excited to welcome you, and we're so excited to bring you to Palau, and we look forward to a wonderful visit. I want to assure everyone on board that all the travel sites, all the famous visit sites in Palau are open for you to visit, and I want to welcome you, and I'll be around with you. And when we get off the flight, we hope to take pictures with you and share the warm hospitality that Palau has to offer. I will be coming through the flight a little later to be passing out a small gift for you during your stay, especially mask to wear and a little bag to keep your goodies, special things dry, because we hope that you're going to spend a lot of time in the Rock Islands getting wet. And thank you again, and welcome to Palau.
说柏流不能用这个舌齿，只要用这个。柏流人好像都是这样子啊。
可以出国了，这样子。是，我觉得其实非常的顺利，因为像我们是第一组，那前面其实我是第6个人，那本来一开始会觉得说裁剪会不会很长的时间，可是事实上我全部的时间大概是包括等待的时间大概3分钟，那实际上裁剪大概是只有几秒的时间而已，而且它的年签很长，可是事实上插进鼻孔的感觉就是只有一瞬间的感觉，并没有像大家形容的，比方说很可怕啦，或者是很恐怖那种感觉。
我们刚刚检验的123只检体，全部都是阴性，所以这一团可以就是非常的安全，那可以去安心旅游了。所以当然很高兴虽然想说一定是安全的了可是这事情应该是也不见得就是一定是了不过经过验证那就是一定是安全的。
那这次看到大家快乐的心情，一定会被感染到，也很想去赌。
当然就是说，我的意思就是说，能够出国，然后看看大自然的野景美景应该是一件很快乐的事情。那不过等到疫情过后，我就会想去了